In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can find wallet addresses on Coinbase. So you can find different wallet addresses for different assets. So for example, Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency on Coinbase. What you want to do, you want to log into your Coinbase account. This will work on your phone and also on your PC. So I'm on my PC, but if you have your phone, it works as well. What you want to do next is go to the top right corner to send and receive. There we go, and now we can find, when we go to receive, we can hit I understand, and then turn on instant transfer or skip for now. And there we go, here we can see the code and the address, and we can just copy this code, and then we can send this to a friend. And this is the address of this asset's compound that I have on my account, but I can select any asset I want on my Coinbase account and send this to anyone, and this will be the address where your friends have to send it to. It works the same way. If you want to send, just enter in the address where you want to send it to, enter any amount, put in a message, and there you go. That's what you want to do. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.